Per facila factu essa, there is S is the verb, factu is a supine, so it is probat, there is a verb, kanata is a perfect participle, or no, perfect kara is a verb. So let's just take this part because it's a little bit convoluted, I guess is the best way to put it. Here we have our subject right there in the T. He probat. He probat illis, to them. So here is a dative case that to prefigera the kanata things. Was or is, since probat, is perfecala, very easy factu, to do. Proptiera quod, we had this before, this is on account of because, we just use because. Ipsa is the subject of the next clause. Let's go here. Because ipsa obturus esset. You notice the TUR in here, that's the present active participle, so he was going to obtur. Imperium, that's not empire, of suae civitatis, of his own civitatis. S is your verb, and we're still doing the reported speech, that there was no doubt but that, or that. Helvices, your subject of this clause. The Helvici possunt. Plurimum possunt, we're the most able, most people translate it, we're the most powerful, of totius Galliae. Here we go to our main verb, which is confirmat. So here again we have the T. He confirmat that say is a direct object of confirmat. It's the subject of the next clause, that he conciliaturum, and here Caesar left off the essa that should be there, but they did that a lot in ancient writings, that any form of the verb to be, if they didn't always put it in. So that he would conciliaturum regna, not kingdoms, illis, for them. This is how he's going to do it. Suis, his own, with or by his own copies, and suo exercitu, his own exercitu. Accoriatione is our prepositional phrase, and we have adducti is our subject, and it's they, having been adducti by hac oratione. Dant is our verb. Fidem et usurendum. And usurendum means an oath, the two words together, an oath. Inter se. And that is a prepositional phrase. And regno occupato, there's an ablative absolute with the regno occupato. they spirant that. So what they spirant is inside. They hope that here is a direct object that becomes the subject of our reported speech or indirect statement. Well, let's look at this. Per tres potentissimos et firmissimos populos. So there's a prepositional phrase. The most potentimos and the most firmissimos populus. Autocorrect hits again. That they are able to potira totius Galliae. And that finishes it off.